Students, you see, I have written reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun means the pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves, when used as the receiver of an action are called reflexive pronoun. Here I have given the example, I enjoyed myself. So here I enjoyed myself. Who is enjoying? The person who is the subject, that means the main that means the subject of this sentence, that is the person I. So here he is enjoying, and enjoying that means himself. So I enjoyed myself. So here you can see used as the receiver of an action. So what is the action here? Enjoyment. So who is enjoying that? I. So myself, that means the person is enjoying. So that's why it is written I enjoyed myself. That is why it is also written here it will be the used as the receiver of an action. So action is that enjoying. Who is enjoying here? I. So that means when we can understand with the help of this word myself. So that's why it will be the reflexive action. The action must be reflexive. Okay. That's why it is called reflexive action. Now students, please look at the board. Here I have written emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun is also, sorry, also. Now students, please look at the board. Here I have written emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun, it is actually called, another name is emphasizing pronoun also. Emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. Now, we have discussed about the kinds of pronouns, and it is also a very, very important kind of pronoun. And what is that? Compound pronouns are used for the sake of emphasis. What is the meaning of this compound pronoun? Compound pronoun, this compound means is actually the word self, self, myself, yourself, himself, herself, just like that. This word self is called compound pronouns. These are used for the sake of emphasis. They emphasize the nouns or pronouns. So these words or these pronouns will emphasize either on noun or pronouns they stand for. Okay, they are called emphatic pronouns. So these are called emphatic pronoun. Here I have written, you can see, I myself cleaned the room. So here myself, here this you can see this word self. Okay, this self word reflects that it is a compound pronoun, and it is also a emphatic pronoun. How? It is stands for the pronoun I, number one. Number two, I myself clean the pronoun. Here you will see that emphasize will come. That means when we are putting more extra effort, that is called emphasize. So I clean the room. Okay, when I am putting this word myself, so that means I myself clean the room. By this word myself, we can put the emphasis with the word I. So here myself will be emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. Here you can see that I have written a reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Okay, emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Generally, we are when you will see that you will practice this pronouns together, that time you will have at the first you will have some confusion. Okay, for that reason I want to clear your confusion, and that's why I have written this. Pronouns are called reflexive pronouns when the action of the verb turns back on the subject. That means when the work is going back to the door of the sentence, that is called reflexive pronoun. Here you can see I fed myself the grapes. Okay, I fed myself the grapes. So who has done this work? That means I fed myself. That means that means the pronoun I has done the work himself or herself. So it will be, this one will be, it is reflecting towards the, that means the door of the sentence. Okay, so here it will be reflexive pronoun. Second one, that is emphatic pronouns are compound. And one more thing, that these are generally objects. These will be generally objects. Okay, generally, not all the time. Emphatic pronouns are compound personal pronoun. What is the meaning of first? You know that what is the meaning of compound personal pronoun? Compound personal pronoun means, that means this word self. Okay, it could be myself, yourself, herself, himself, like that. Okay, so emphatic pronouns are compounds personal pronouns used for emphasis. Here the difference is that here this word will be using for emphasizing, for putting more extra effort. But here in reflexive, it will return back, the work will return back to the subject of the sentence. Okay, so here you can see, she herself told us the news. Herself, so she told us the news, we can write. But here when we are writing, she herself told us the news. That means here with this word we are putting extra effort, so it will be emphasizing or emphatic pronoun.